So I'm going to sit down at her feet. I usually put a block under me because it's a more stable position for me. I hold above the ankle, okay, at the lower part of the shin bone firmly. And then I'm going to put the heel of my hand on the ball joints of her toes. And I actually use my other leg for an anchor here. And I'm going to do an ankle flex. And I'm supporting here so that when I flex, I'm not shooting her leg off that way. Holding here firmly. And the stronger the ankle flex is, the firmer I have to hold so that I'm not pushing them. This has the potential to reach a long line through the leg into the tailbone. It's not a deep tailbone release in the way that doing Apanasana would be a tailbone release, but it's like a starter release. And then I let go. I did a long one. Look at the difference. People with pointy, high heel feet or ballerina feet have very tight tailbones. So they would really benefit from this. Now, you can stay on the same side. You can stay over here to do the other one, or you could, often I'll just move over because it's even easier for the body mechanics, but hold the ankle, firmly press into as far as it goes. Now, if I let go and go ahead and hold the flex. This is, okay, and then let it go. A lot of people do that. For some reason, this is an adjustment that's hard for some people to not help with. So you'll feel, if you feel like, oh, if I start to alleviate the pressure, they're going to stay there, you have to be like, stop that. Don't help me. And it's like really hard to undo that loop. I had a guy that was a longtime student, and we did this for 2 years. He could never not help with this adjustment until I finally just gave up. Like, we're not doing that adjustment anymore. Okay, nice, strong. 2 or 3 or even 4 of your breaths. Then you let go of the foot and then let go of the ankle. So ankle, flex, release the foot, then release the ankle. Not holding on the joint, holding the bone firmly above the joint. If their leg starts to go that way or starts to go that way, you're not holding the ankle firm enough, and you got to realign them because you don't want to adjust a body that's poorly aligned. And that goes back to answering the question about, Francesca's question about adjusting that hip bone adjustment when someone's lying flat in Shavasana. I would say that's not a good alignment for the pelvis, and so you don't do an adjustment in a body that's poorly aligned. And to me, that's a poorly aligned pelvis. Okay? So, this is not too hard, but we will come around and do one side, and then you're going to do that same side and then the other side. So they're going to get, so go ahead and pick your tighter side that you want the adjustment on twice, and we will do that side, then your partner